guys, welcome to our channel, FoneLab. Voice recording is not commonly used on a daily basis. However, there are times that you will need it for different purposes, like recording spoken notes, reminders, music recordings, and interviews. iPhone has a pre-installed voice recorder called the Voice Memos app, so there is no need to find other apps if you only need simple voice recording. Nevertheless, this pre-installed app on iPhone has many convenient features. Here's how you use Voice Memos app. To begin, open the app. Tap the recording button to record your voice. Swipe up from the top of the waveform to see more details while recording. Tap the pause button if you intend to stop for a moment. Then tap resume to continue. You can listen to your recording without stopping it. Just swipe the waveform to left, then tap the playback button. Did you know you are able to replace a part of your recording? Do the same process mentioned, then the resume button will become replace button. Position the waveform, then tap replace button. You can also crop some unwanted part of your recording to do it. Tap the crop icon at the top, then place the timeline at bottom to a part you want to crop. Then tap the trim button and save it. Tap the settings icon at the upper left to edit playback speed. You are also able to skip silence and enhance your recording. To save it, tap done at the bottom right, and that's it. The Voice Memos of iPhone is truly convenient. However, if you are looking for an alternative or prefer a method that can offer higher quality, use FoneLab Screen Recorder. It has multiple recording types, but in this case, you can use its phone recorder, capable of voice recording on your iPhone. It only requires a quick connection between your iPhone and computer. On the interface, click the small phone box. Then select iOS Recorder. Next, go directly to the audio mirroring section to record your voice. And the tool will present the instructions for connecting your devices. Please note that the devices must be under the same WLAN. Then, on your iPhone, open Control Center and expand the Music Playback menu. You will see FoneLab Screen Recorder, so tap it to connect successfully. The recording screen will be presented on your computer, and the record button will be at the bottom of the program interface. Click it to start recording your voice through your iPhone microphone. Later, feel free to return to the Prime interface and use the other recording functions once needed. There are various purposes for using voice record. Fortunately, the iPhone has a pre-installed voice recorder app. However, if you ever need an alternative voice recorder that offers a high-quality recording, get FoneLab Screen Recorder. For more helpful videos, visit our channel FoneLab. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the following video. Thanks for watching.